The Ather Energy IPO is set to open for subscription from April 28, 2025 to April 30, 2025, with a tentative listing date of May 6, 2025. Retail investors can bid for a minimum of 46 shares, amounting to 14,766 rupees. The funds raised through the IPO will be utilized for establishing a new manufacturing facility in Maharashtra, expanding research and development efforts, marketing initiatives, debt repayment. Plus points of Ather are that Ather Energy is the company that started the electric scooter revolution in India, for Indians by Indians. Swapnil and Tarun were hell-bent on creating the fastest scooter in India, and so they did achieve it. Ather finally proved to the public that e-scooters are not weak, feeble or slow. Many people before the entry of Ather used to ask if e-scooters could climb flyovers. Being a pure electric vehicle company or only electric vehicle company has its own advantages and efficiencies. Unlike their competitors, Ather and Ola Electric have no petrol two-wheelers and no compulsion to complain, protest, protect the fall in sales of petrol two-wheeler, if any, as the electric two-wheelers get more and more popularity over time. As e-scooters become more popular and the price of petrol keep increasing, petrol scooters will eventually lose their charm in the market. Ather Energy has been a trailblazer in India's electric scooter market, achieving several notable firsts. Ather Energy introduced India's first high-performance electric scooter. It had features that no petrol scooters had: touchscreen dashboard, maps integration, Bluetooth connectivity, and over-the-air updates. All of these were not available in any scooter of that time in India, and probably anywhere in the world. Other than that, Ather Energy had set up Ather Grid. Ather was the first to establish a dedicated fast charging network for electric scooters, known as Ather Grid. This network allowed users to charge their scooters quickly and efficiently. In-house software development, Ather developed its proprietary software, Ather Stack, which provides features like navigation, ride analytics, and safety assistance. AI-powered battery management. Their scooters feature advanced battery management systems that optimize performance, extend battery life, and ensure safety. Ather's Halo, its smart helmets are amazingly unique helmets in the entire world. They are built in such a way that they pair with the vehicle automatically when wearing and recharge automatically when stored in the boot. The helmet also allows both the rider and the pillion rider to converse without any wind or noise disturbances. Premium sound system, equipped with Harman Kardon speakers. The helmets offer high-quality audio while ensuring ambient noise reduction, so riders remain aware of their surroundings. Wireless charging. The Ather helmets can be charged wirelessly, either at home or in the boot of the Ather Rizta scooter, making them incredibly convenient. Helmet-to-helmet communication. The Ather Chit-Chat system allows riders to communicate with each other effortlessly, making group rides more enjoyable. Music sharing. Riders and pillions can share music, adding a fun element to shared rides. Safety and comfort. The helmets are ISI and DOT certified, ensuring high safety standards. They also feature ergonomic designs with integrated vents for comfort. The company currently holds an 11.5% market share and is the third largest player by volume in the electric two-wheeler market. While some companies have just one version, Ather has three versions: Ather 450X, Ather Apex and Rizta. Ola is an exception, it has 10 versions. Minus point. Ather Energy's only problem has been its slower speed of expansion in comparison to Ola, Bajaj Auto and TVS. Ather Energy has shown impressive revenue growth over the past 3 fiscal years. But profitability remains a challenge. In year 2022, revenue stood at 408 crore rupees, with losses amounting to 344 crore rupees. In year 2023, revenue surged to 1,784 crore rupees, marking a 4.3x increase. But losses doubled to 864.5 crore rupees. In year 2024, revenue reached 1,835 crore rupees, reflecting continued growth, but operating losses expanded to 1,059 crore rupees. Revenue is growing, which is very important, and after this IPO, the debt could reduce. Thank you for watching. Share this video with your friends who are interested in stock market or electric vehicles. If you like this video, please press the like button so that we make more videos like this. If you are new here, please press the bell icon to subscribe to this channel.